Yeah, so I was thinking about this black hole thing, and so so I'm gonna solve this here on the shitter, just so all you guys know that I'm the boss, okay? Okay, with the black hole in the center of Earth, you guys think it's not? Okay, well, let me just explain this really simply, okay? With the magnet, okay, you can overt electrons, and you can spin a magnet really fast, a really strong magnet, and you can observe the dimming of light, okay? You can physically observe tabletop physics. So therefore, the dimming of light, there's electrons bound to photons, if you didn't know, which means that by observing light, we can observe the electrons that are bound to photons, right? So we're observing electrons. So therefore, if I'm able to overt electrons with a magnet, a spinning magnet, then I hypothesize that at an event horizon, there should be magnetism that's overting the electrons, which is the light at the event horizon, not gravity. Thus, me hypothesizing and prophesying that there is a black hole in the center of the Earth because the amount of gravity / magnetism is sufficient to overt the electrons enough to be considered a black hole, because I can do it with a simple magnet, and we're talking about the Earth. And there's a lot of gravity and a lot more magnetism than in this magnet. So you can do that tabletop test by spinning the magnet. And I'm gonna go take a shit, because yeah, that's the type of shit I think about when I'm taking shits. I got your backs. Yeah, it's pretty simple, right? So yeah, if I can overt electrons with a simple magnet, a spinning one, right? I conclude there's a black hole in the center of the Earth, because if I only need a little bit of magnetism to make it a little bit dimmer, the amount of magnetism and the amount of gravity in the middle of the Earth should be sufficient to create a black hole. I prophesy. Look at the event horizon. That's another black hole. We can observe that it's dark in the middle. Okay, it's dark in the middle, and at the outer, you can see all of the stars behind it because it's overting the light, the electrons. So that's going to be magnetism. I prophesied, not gravity. At the edge, probably gravity in the middle. I got your backs.